As we know, in markets there are buyers and sellers. We already know that buyers are responsible for demand in the market and sellers represent supply in the market. Supply is the amount of goods that sellers are prepared to sell at given prices over a period of time. Remember, the forces of supply and demand are responsible for setting prices in the market. There's a strong link between the price of a good and the quantity supplied. For example, if prices are too low, then sellers may not be interested in supplying the market as they won't be making enough profit. Let's look at an example. Haifa Saleh is a self-employed patisserie chef working in Amman, Jordan. She makes desserts which she sells to local cafes and restaurants. Her best-selling product is a sweet called baklava. The supply schedule shows the number of trays of baklava that Haifa is prepared to supply at a given price. For example, when the market price is 5 Jordanian dinars a tray, she's not prepared to supply any at all, as she can't make any profit at this price. The law of supply states that other factors remaining constant, the price and quantity supplied of a good are directly related to each other. In other words, there's a direct relationship between the price and quantities respond in the same direction as the price changes. In other words, when the price for a good rises, then suppliers increase the supply of that good in the market.